बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 61। Islamabad colon. While illegal sale and purchase of convalescent plasma is going on across the country, the Ministry of National Health Services on Tuesday announced that plasma therapy should not be considered as a cure for coronavirus. Full stop. The ministry warned that there could be serious side effects of plasma therapy, including febrile reactions, temperature increase, and sometimes headache and back pain, allergic reactions, transfusion associated circulatory overload, bronchospasm, transfusion related acute lung injury and transmission of diseases like HIV, hepatitis B and C and others. Full stop. New para. The country reported 5090 COVID-19 cases and 117 deaths over the past 24 hours, taking the national tally of cases to 151,953 and deaths to 2,900. Full stop. It is worth mentioning that some of the people who have recovered from coronavirus are demanding tens of thousands of rupees for the plasma. Full stop. Some labs have also started illegal business of plasma as it is believed that antibodies formed in the blood of the COVID-19 victims and, once they recover from the disease, those antibodies can help other patients to recover. Full stop. New para. According to guidelines available with Dawn, since CP is still an experimental therapy, it can only be safely used under controlled settings as part of research protocol. Full stop. The principal investigator of the research should obtain approval for his/her protocol and must get the health facility approved by the NHS ministry in which the therapy can be initiated under supervision. Full stop. Only approved hospitals are allowed to enroll their COVID-19 patients in clinical trials which have been cleared by the relevant research regulatory authorities. Full stop. New para. A COVID-19 patient enrolled in a permitted clinical trial can be eligible for receiving the investigational therapy CP under supervision of a qualified physician in an approved health facility. Full stop. There could be various eligibility and ineligibility criteria based on the trial protocol. Full stop. Through the guidelines, the public has been informed that CP use is one of the interventions currently under investigation in Pakistan. Full stop. However, at the moment, there are insufficient data to recommend either for or against the use of COVID-19 convalescent plasma as a standard therapy. Full stop. New paragraph. Realizing the dire need of effective treatment regimes for COVID-19, the government has mandated the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan to oversee testing new technologies and interventions. Full stop. Clinical trials are currently underway to test the use of convalescent plasma as an investigational treatment in COVID-19 patients. Full stop. Hospitals and physicians taking part in the trials can enroll their COVID-19 patients who fulfill the eligibility criteria for entering into the study. Full stop. New paragraph. Individuals, who have fully recovered from COVID-19 are asymptomatic for at least 2 weeks and are willing to donate plasma, can contact helpline 1166 for guidance for nearby accredited plasma donation centers and hospitals offering a CP to patients under approved protocols, the guidelines state full stop the public is advised to contact the treating physician slash hospital for information regarding the trial in progress and not to be exploited by paying money in purchasing plasma for different blood banks slash hospitals. Full stop. New para. Public and physicians are advised to keep themselves informed about the clinical guidance on judicious use of convalescent plasma for COVID-19 patients in current pandemic that will be issued by the Ministry of Health from time to time, the guidelines add full stop. According to an official statement issued by the NHS Ministry, plasma therapy should not be considered as a cure for COVID-19 as it is in the clinical trial phase, across the globe, after approval by the United States Food and Drug Administration, full stop. New para. Till date, no medicine has been invented which would be considered as a cure for the disease, full stop. Even a plasma therapy is also in the phase of clinical trial, full stop. People are advised in their best interest that they should not try to buy CP from private labs as according to rules, plasma can only be donated, it states full stop. It is worth mentioning that the clinical study committee of DRAP had on April 9 allowed clinical trials of convalescent plasma for the purpose of passive immunization during the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, full stop. New para. NHS Ministry's spokesman Sajid Shah, while citing reports, said the illegal business of sale and purchase of plasma was going on across the country, full stop. COVID-19 tests, according to data of the National Command and Operation Center, so far 922,665 COVID-19 tests have been conducted across the country, full stop. The most number of tests per million population have been conducted in the federal capital, full stop. Overall, 83693 tests have been conducted in Islamabad, 366435 in Punjab, 307412 in Sindh, 104257 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 38196 tests in Balochistan and 11290 in Azad Kashmir, full stop. New para. Smart lockdown. The Punjab government has decided to partially impose a smart lockdown in 7 of its major cities, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Faisalabad, Multan, Gujranwala, Sialkot, and Gujarat to stop the spread of coronavirus, full stop. Lockdown in Lahore started immediately, whereas other 6 cities will follow suit by Wednesday. Today, midnight, full stop. In Sindh, administrations of 5 districts imposed a smart lockdown in certain potential COVID-19 hotspots, full stop.